Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to this session of English. Today we are here to discuss the extracts and notes of your chapter The Horse and Two Goats. It is a volume 2 workbook. So without wasting any further time, let us see what is the first extract of the story. He flung himself down in a corner to recoup from the fatigue of his visit to the shop. His wife said, "You are getting no sauce today, nor anything else. I can't find anything to give you to eat. Fast till the evening. It will do you good. Take the goats and be gone now." She cried and added, "Don't come back before the sun is down." So here this extract, this is that from that part of the story where Muni went to the shop to ask for something on loan, but the shopkeeper refused to give anything to him for loan. He said that just provide me money first of all, then I will give you the things. So in order because of that he couldn't collect any things and he went to his home empty handed. So when his wife saw that, she got very much upset and she said that he will not be getting any lunch on that day and told him to fast till evening. And also she instructed him to get the goats and go from the home and do not return till evening. So let us see what is the first question here. What fatigue does Muni refer to? Means why was he so much tired? Fatigue means tiredness. So let's see what is the answer. Muni is an old man who has returned empty-handed from his visit to the grocer's shop. He wished to borrow some wheat or millet flour, spices and oil for his daily need. After standing at the shop the whole morning he is very tired. So why was Muni tired? Because he was very old man and he just went to a grocer's shop to borrow some wheat or millet flour and spices and oil for his food, but he returned empty handed because the shopkeeper refused him to give so. And because of standing so much and in that too in the full afternoon, so he got very much tired. Okay students, you have to write point to point answer in your questions, okay, in your exams. Now next question is, why does Muni's wife tell Muni fast till evening, it will do you good? So why his wife almost taunted or in a sarcastic tone that just fast till evening, it will do you good? So let's see the answer. Muni's wife is very angry with her husband who always wishes to eat tasty food but has no income to bring home. So in anger, his wife asks him to stay hungry the whole day as one does during fast. So why she was so much angry? Because Muni was a man who always demanded for good and tasty food to eat. But because he was having no income, so they didn't have anything to eat at their home. So she was very much upset with Muni. So that's why in anger she told him to just stay hungry and fast till evening. Now next question is, why is Muni's wife upset and angry? So, as already we have discussed above, there is no money in the house and no food either. So, Muni's wife is upset and angry. Muni's demand for tasty food makes her very helpless, hence angry. So again the answer is the same, that there is no money in the house to eat and no food also. So she was very much upset and he used to demand good and tasty food. So how could she just make good and tasty food when there was nothing at home? So that is why she was very much helpless and angry. Now the next question is, why did she ask Muni not to come back home before sunset? Since there is no food in the house, so in helpless anger, Muni's wife asks him to take the two goats for grazing outside the village and return after sunset so that she could do some work and earn enough to feed Muni some dinner. So why she told him to don't return back before sunset? Because there was no food in the house and she was in so much anger that she told him to just take the goats for grazing outside and return only after sunset so that she can arrange for some work and earn some money and she could cook the dinner for him. Next question is, how did she plan to earn enough money to buy foodstuff for the evening meal? So the answer is, Muni's wife would go out and work, either grind corn in the big house, weave or scrub somewhere to earn enough money to buy foodstuff for the evening meal. So how would she earn money? She would just go to the big house that was in the village, okay, and she would either do grinding there, grinding the corn or spices, or she would go somewhere and sweep and scrub, okay, the work that maids do, and from that money she will buy some food stuff for Muni, and then she will cook the meal. So students, in this manner there are other passages, that is extracts given and the answers to them. So just go through them, try to answer them, try to understand them, and some of the questions are also not in your course, so you have to just simply cut them. See, and moreover, here is the answer marked. This is the answer that is highlighted. You have to highlight it and you have to mark it, and this from this page, this is the answer, so you have to mark it from here. And this is a long answer question, so you have to do these in your workbook and try to understand them and give the point to point answer. And in the long answer question you will just write in the point form. I hope this is, I think you understand, I hope you understand these things. So this is it for today. Thank you so much.